Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off experience or invitation experience on your Roblox app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that. So all you have to do, just go down here, you click here on this sign down here, then it's going to take you here in this window. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down and you click here on settings here, then it's going to take you here in this window here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications, then it's going to take you here to next step here. So just hold on a second to open video, then you just click here on Roblox platform here, and you go down here, you click here on friends and groups, then you go down and you come here to experience invitation. You will click here on no or off, and like you say now, experience invitation is on off now. That's all now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.